Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Cooking with Lev. I'm gonna be making spare ribs today on my new smoker and a grill. I want to say thanks to my brother-in-law Andy. This is gifted by him. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out today. So let me show you guys what it looks like. It has a large surface where you can cook a lot of stuff. So we're gonna be cooking 2 big pieces of spare ribs today. So let's go ahead and start preparing the spare ribs. So we're gonna remove some extra skin, and then we're gonna clean up, and once we're done, we're gonna go ahead and season. for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was Andy's gift that we tested today.
Yes.
Cooked very evenly, perfectly amazing. It's hard to explain. I hope you guys can see it and taste it through the video. Look how beautiful that is. So tender. Look at that beautiful color.
I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking at the meat.
Thanks again for watching, guys.
Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell. Don't miss out on upcoming videos. Cheers. Thank you, Andy, for the gift.
You got it, buddy.
Beautiful, man.
Have a good time. Amazing. Oh yes. Now turn off the camera so I can eat.
Melt in your mouth.